Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles north of Put-in Bay to near Bowles Harbor of Refuge, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Put-in Bay, Huron, Kelly's Island, and Sandusky Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.